Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman Associates, and today I want to talk about the drop-in parent. I think you'll find this interesting, and if you do, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. The question more specifically that I'm dealing with is a situation where you have parenting time with your child, and the other parent just shows up for unexpected visits during your time. What are you supposed to do about that? Well, let's first of all, let's diagnose it for what it is, okay? You might think in the beginning that it's just the other parent being nice, or maybe the other parent is trying to help you out, whatever. In most cases, though, these visits are unwelcomed. In most cases, what we're seeing is a micromanagement by one parent of the parenting time of the other. And it's really offensive. That same person who is now popping in to see how it goes and how your visit is going had no problem while you were married of leaving the child with you all day while he went to run errands or she went to get a manicure or something like that. So now all of a sudden you need chaperoning with your own child. It's very offensive. I'll share with you, I once had a case where the child was having parenting time with her dad for I think 10 days in the summer, and the mother didn't show up, but the mother was giving greeting cards and sending greeting cards every day to the child, and having all the aunts and all the uncles call the child every day during the dad's parenting time. And saying things, oh, don't worry, you'll be back with your mom soon, try to have a good time, try to make the best of it. And it's so appalling that somebody would do that, and it really shows an unbelievable dominating and controlling nature of, in this case, it was the mom. But the question is, what do you do about that? And you need to be educated on what to do, because a person may not realize how truly offensive this is. I would recommend that when this begins, the first thing you do is pull the person to the side and say, look, I appreciate your coming here. This is special time that I have with my son. It's time with my daughter. If something comes up that's significant, I'm going to let you know. If we go someplace and we're out of town, I'm going to let you know so that you are aware. But these visits, I got to tell you, they're not the right thing. They send the wrong message. This is my special time. Please respect our privacy. And that's how I would put it, in a nice but firm way. If it persists and he keeps showing up, or she keeps, you notice her car is parked down the street or something like that, I'm afraid you're going to have to go to court and file a motion and have the court order that during your parenting time, the other person be absent unless there's a dire emergency and you notify them. That's the only way to do it, because believe me, having done this 1,000 times, what's going to happen is if you allow this to go through, pretty soon the person's going to muscle their way into all your parenting time, and you're never going to have meaningful time with your son or with your daughter. You don't need to be micromanaged. You know how to parent. You didn't need his help before. You didn't need her assistance before. You sure as heck don't need it now. It doesn't mean, though, that the other side won't try to muscle in on you and abuse you. And should that happen, give us a call.